Okay.
Pwede po malaman kung anong plano ninyo sa Pasko? Saan po kayo magpapasko?
Well, gaya ang usual na namin, Christmas Eve sa Malacanang, sa Palace. At siguro, on Christmas Day, akyat ako ng north. I'll go up north and spend the holiday. Maybe up north, pero babalik ako ng Maynila. Depende. Very flexible naman ang schedule ko. Kasi hindi ko maaaring sasabihin na hindi aalis ako. Kasi dahil hindi naman, baka may mangyari, baka may kailangan ako. Whatever it is, I'm always available. But syempre, lahat tayo, we could use a little break. So, I will use the time. Ang dami kong libro na hindi pa nababasa. So, babasahin ko sila lahat habang yung bakasyon.
So, President, Ilocos ba o Baguio yung
Both. On Christmas Day? On Christmas Day, I'll be in Manila, but I'll go to Baguio. But after that, wala pa, we haven't really decided sa family. Lahat busy. Yung mga anak ko, hindi, ang hirap ng hilain. Marami silang mga pinaplano. But maybe the First Lady and I will spend a little quiet time together.
But definitely on Christmas Day, you will be taking your off.
I will be?
Taking your off.
On Christmas Day.
I will taking my...
Day break.
I don't have off days.
No day off.
Hindi ako kasama dyan. Hindi kami kasama sa bakasyon, sa holiday, sa weekend. Hindi kami kasama dyan. We're always on call.